You are standing in the middle of a gladiator arena. It is 100 degrees outside. There is a single water bottle in the center. The water bottle has a price tag. It says $50. This is the strike price. You bought a call option on that water bottle. That means you paid a tiny fee up front for the right to buy the water for $50 later. Now, let's look at the actual price of water right now. The market price is $75. Think about it. The water is selling for $75 everywhere, but your option lets you buy it for your special price of $50. You are immediately saving $25. You are ridiculously rich in water rights. This is called in the money. It means your option is instantly profitable if you use it. With a call option, in the money means the market price is higher than your strike price. Your right to buy is already better than the price on the street. It's like having a secret VIP coupon to buy a Lamborghini for the price of a tricycle. But what if the world suddenly floods? Now, the market price of water is $25. The water bottle is selling for $25 everywhere. Your call option still gives you the right to buy it for $50. Would you buy water for $50 when you can literally scoop up free water outside for $25? No, you would never use your option. It is a completely useless right. This is called out of the money. It means your option is not profitable. With a call option, out of the money means the market price is lower than your strike price. Your right to buy is worse than the current price. It's an expired lottery ticket. Now let's flip the script. You bought a put option on that same water bottle. A put option is the right to sell the water bottle for that $50 strike price. Okay, the market price of water is $75. People are begging for water. Your option says you can sell it for $50, but if you just walk 5 feet and sell it to anyone else, they will pay you $75. Your put option is dead. It is out of the money. With a put option, out of the money means the market price is higher than your strike price. The right to sell for $50 is pointless when you can sell it for $75. It's like having a contract that forces you to sell a winning scratch-off ticket for $1 when the prize is $1 million. Final scenario. You have the put option, the right to sell for $50. The world floods again. The market price of water is $25. Now your put option is your superpower. Everyone else is selling water for a measly $25, but you have the right to force someone to buy it from you for $50. You make a $25 profit per bottle. You are a financial genius. You are in the money. With a put option, in the money means the market price is lower than your strike price. The right to sell for $50 is an amazing deal when the street price is only $25. In the world of options, the easiest way to remember this is simple. In the money means you can immediately use the option to make a profit. You have a superior deal. Out of the money means you would be a lunatic to use it. You have a terrible deal compared to the market. So for calls, you want the actual price to be high. For puts, you want the actual price to be low. If you're in the money, you're the hero in the apocalypse. If you're out of the money, you might as well use the option contract as kindling for your fire.